Precautions and side effects of clove tea. While clove tea is generally safe and beneficial for most people, there are some precautions and side effects that you should be aware of before drinking it. Some of the precautions and side effects of clove tea are: clove tea may cause allergic reactions in some people who are sensitive to it. Symptoms may include skin rashes, itching, swelling, hives, difficulty breathing, or anaphylaxis. Clove tea may interact with some medications, such as blood thinners, anti-diabetic drugs, or anticonvulsants. Consult your doctor before drinking clove tea if you are taking any medication. Clove tea may cause bleeding problems in some people, especially if they have a bleeding disorder or are undergoing surgery. Avoid drinking clove tea if you have a bleeding problem or are going to have surgery. Clove tea may lower blood sugar levels too much in some people, especially if they have diabetes or hypoglycemia. Monitor your blood sugar levels closely if you drink clove tea and adjust your medication or diet accordingly. Clove tea may lower blood pressure too much in some people, especially if they have low blood pressure or are taking antihypertensive drugs. Monitor your blood pressure closely if you drink clove tea and adjust your medication or lifestyle accordingly. Clove tea may cause stomach upset, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea in some people, especially if they drink too much of it or have a sensitive stomach. Drink clove tea in moderation and avoid it if you have a stomach problem. So, these are some of the things you should know before drinking clove tea for a week. Clove tea is a wonderful drink that can improve your health in many ways. But remember to drink it responsibly and consult your doctor if you have any medical condition or concern.